It is noon and we are checking out of our hotel.
Noon again!
And we're going to hit the road and head to Bao Loc. Next stop, Bao Loc. Okay, today Sloth is along for the ride. He's gonna be my back pillow. So funny.
This is the map that we got from Tigit, where they recommended this path right here on the
from Ho Chi Minh to
QL20
QL20
to Bao Loc.
Since we're in Bang 2, we're gonna take QL56, which will connect us to QL20 all the way on Bao Loc. It will be 15 minutes longer than the fastest route, but I think it'll be a little bit more scenic.
Awesome. It's 12:30. It says it's gonna take 4.5 hours to get there.
Well, let's see.
Okay, it's 12:50 and we are leaving Vung Tàu, headed for Bao Loc. Here we go. Ready, babe?
Yeah, let's do this. Woohoo!
Yeah, thank you. Okay, filling up. Die. Half a tank is how much? Pardon? 50,000 dong.
I love this kind of stuff. We're finally out of that crazy city.
Vung Tàu was like
Miami and Vietnam.
and also because it's Tet, everyone from Ho Chi Minh was in Vung Tàu. Yeah, and we're out in nature. You can even smell it, right?
Yeah.
It smells good out here. Okay, we just rode for 2 hours and this is our first pit stop. We're getting a bite to eat and having a refreshing drink. Yes, I need a coffee as well.
Đen. Rồi một cà with ice, right?
Yes, please. Ice.
Cà phê đen với đá, một cà phê đen, chút sữa, với đá.
Come on, Em. Yeah. Yeah. Anh ơi. Thank you. Come on, Em. Oh wow, the coffee is really good. How was it, babe?
Good.
10 out of 10? What do you rate it?
It's good. There's a lot of dry bread.
And they're collecting the gum in the coconut shells. Super beautiful out here. We just stopped for a quick group photo in the woods. Back on the road. The Dong Nai River.
No.
Ah.
That's where all those crazy looking it's where all the people are living on the river. It's awesome.
This place is crazy. Right? So chaotic. This highway is crazy. I think you should avoid it at all costs. What do you think?
Yeah, whatever that was, don't do that.
We'll put it on the map.
You can get around it. If anybody's ever planning on doing this trip, they should try to avoid that road.
Yeah, it's so dangerous. There's literally like buses coming right at you, taking you out.
Wow.
I think that we took the long route to come to this road. This was supposed to be the last one.
What?
We must have made a mistake.
No, this is Q20, bro.
This is meant to be the...
Because we saw like this lake here and everything, and this is the one on his map. This was Q20. This was supposed to be the nice road. And then we took like a longer hour.
This is an error.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, what highway?
Maybe that one would have been the go.
This was a lot closer for us. We would have saved like an hour, and it was a lot more chill. I don't know why he's got this road on his map.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, we're at a quarter of a tank. We're filling it up. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, it's meant to be an hour and 20 to get there, so that means we should arrive around 6:50. Which will be after. It'll be after dark. But we're just hoping to get there safe and sound. Okay, we're out in the mountains now, so it's chilly, so we have to stop for a quick winter stop. So we should get there around just after 7 o'clock. Oh, hell!
We're alive!
We're alive. And 3 close calls.
We made it!
Like,
Woo!
what do you consider core levels?
We're staying at Memories Hotel and Restaurant, and we got the rooms for $18 US a night with breakfast.
Come on.
Yes! Yeah! Oh, this is awesome. This is good for $18 a night, huh?
This is real good.
Woo! It's huge.
For the rest of the month.
We got an awesome shower head. This place is great. Anything else? Thoughts? Ideas?
It was really fun. It's just an adventure.
You had fun?
Yes.
Yay! David, where are we going? You found the best place in town, didn't you?
One of my favorite foods.
Oh.
Yes. Bánh xèo.
Bánh xèo.
Hopefully.
Okay, we're headed to dinner. Our first night in Bao Loc. Now that's what you call a plate of greens. Like, look at it, it's massive.
Nhưng mấy đứa này là chưa bao biết ăn bún xèo. Muốn làm coi làm sao cho
Hello.
làm nhà hàng này nổi tiếng.
Xin chào.
Chào. Chào cô.
Chào cô. Chào cháu.
Chào chú.
Chào cháu.
Chào cháu.
Chào chú.
Chào chú.
Chào chú. She said, so where are you from? He goes, I'm Vietnam, come on. No beef.
Colombian.
I'm up in Đức. Cái này Hamburg. Thành phố Hamburg. Beef hai cái chay hơn.
Chay bưng lên
This is
cái.
vegetarian. There's two vegetarians. Yeah. If you want spicy, it's gonna be spicy, bro.
Chắc phải lấy thêm rau dược thôi, hồi nãy dược không ai á, ra nó ăn rau thơm không quá trời. Ê, có cái rau thơm ăn được. Rau thơm ngon.
Cháu vậy nha. Này nghe cô, mình cho hai lá này vô.
Mình có ông anh ở bên Mỹ nè, ông gửi đồ về cho mình bán nữa nè.
Nè, salad lên.
Dạ.
Đúng ra có cải xanh mà cô hết rồi, tại
Dạ.
vì cô bán đắt hàng.
Go ahead, this is go ahead, guys. Showing us how it's done. So 2 rice papers,
Yeah.
some lettuce,
Rồi, cháu cho rau thơm vô.
some coriander and mint. Rau thơm.
Đó.
Rau thơm vô.
Rồi,
Yeah.
cho bánh xèo
And
vô.
then 1 piece of bun xèo, like that.
Wow.
Yep, and guys, get ready for a explosion of
Cuốn
flavors.
lại.
Dạ, cũng lại dễ thôi.
Chấm nước mắm.
Roll it like you roll a joint, guys.
Rồi, chấm nước mắm.
Cái này là có thịt nha, cái này có thịt.
Yeah.
Biết sao mình có măng ruột ở bên.
We are crazy. Babe, first bite. What do you think about the banzeo?
Yeah.
Xem
Really, really,
là
really good.
Oh yeah.
There's no other place in Vietnam has.
That's Vietnam.
It's a special beef with veggies inside. And she said, yeah, and you said you eat it with
Cái
this.
này mắm đêm là cháu có ăn thử được
Ah,
không?
okay, dạ cô.
Đó, cái mắm đêm này nó mới ngon.
Cho một cái chén thêm cô.
Tell me how it's
This is
made.
gonna be really good, guys. So this is Bao Loc cuốn.
Okay.
We got rice paper. We got cucumber. We got lettuce. We got some herbs. Well, we got some.
Này là
I don't know. I think it's an apple. I have no
Nó
idea.
là dòng họ với cái sung.
Sung. It's a part of a pear. Pear family.
Ăn
And then-
Dạ,
ăn
dạ.
thử đi, ăn không thử đi.
Không chua chua dạ. Dạ. Some
Đây
bacon.
là cho mắm đêm vô đây.
Dạ. Okay. Cảm ơn. Oh, một chén được. Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh my God, she's brought more food.
Cảm ơn nhiều.
Oh my God.
No money.
It's on the house. It's on the house. Don't worry. She said, don't worry. That's on the house.
Too much.
No.
What is it?
You guys, eat
Ăn
this.
nè.
Eat this right now. You can only eat this.
Good.
What's that?
What is it? Do you know what it's called?
I don't know, but it's good. Oh, it's good. Lee, try one.
I did. Yeah.
This
It's good. Yeah. Yeah.
Kiểu.
Gail. Gail.
Sugar
Kiểu
and
mình giống trái tỏi không?
Không, nó cũng là
Hành.
nó cũng là một cái giống xem cái hành.
Ah.
Same.
It's like a part of the onion family. Yeah.
Mà chỉ có Tết cổ truyền của mình mới có cái món đó thôi. Put here. Cặp với cặp với cái này ngon. Put this one. Câu tục ngữ là nhất gái lớn 2, nhì trai lớn 1.
Đó là number one đó.
I
Number one
learned
đó.
something new.
Number one đó.
They said in Vietnam, it's a very famous
Gái hơn hai.
and popular belief
Yeah.
all over Vietnam
Yeah.
that when your wife is 2 years older than you, you're gonna become very, very wealthy.
But only when it's 2
Has to be
years.
2 years.
Babe. Baby.
Rồi chồng á lớn hơn 1.
But watch out.
You're in. We're gonna be rich.
Nhưng mà chú.
No, it's Dave.
Very good.
Vậy là 3 years older than you.
Oh no,
It's
bye,
2.
Dave,
No good.
Dave, one year and 9 months between us.
how much
Dave,
older
1
is
year and 9 months.
3 years. 3 years. This is the only bun sale in Bảo Lộc.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
So all the locals come here. Tourists, everybody.
One is one.
Yeah, that's awesome. Full and happy. Day 2 done and dusted.
Yes.
Saigon to Hanoi. 2 days in. Day 2 is done. Bye.
Saigon.